In this tutorial, we are going to deploy the NLP model with the Flask on the Heroku platform. So, first of all, make sure that your uh, Flask application structure should be like this. Firstly, Flask application contains these two folders: static template. Static folder contains the JavaScript file, images, CSS file, etc. Template folders contains our web pages. This is optional file. This is our NLP model movies review classification.pkl. This is proc file. Proc file is necessary. This is app.py file. It's also necessary. This is our vectorizer to convert that categorical data into the numeric data. Then requirement.txt. This file contains our all the modules which are used to deploy the Flask application on the local host. Okay. So in this tutorial, we are going to deploy the Flask application with the NLP model on the Heroku using the GitHub. Okay. So first of all, create our new app. I just gave a name: movies dash reviews dash sentiments. Then simply create the app. Okay. Then just go to the GitHub. If your GitHub is not connected with the Heroku, so simply click on the connect and just enter the username and password and connect to the Heroku. Okay. So like my GitHub is connected to the Heroku, just simply write the name of the repository which is uh, pushed into the GitHub. Okay, like movies, uh, movies a repository, movies review classification is a repository in my GitHub. So I connect this repository with the Heroku. Okay, like this is connected, and just go scroll down and simply click on the deploy branch. Okay, now it will take 1 to 2 minutes to deploy on the server. So it installs all the requirement packages. Okay, let's see, it is deploying until. If you are interested in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Flask, Python, so you can follow my this blog. I upload here different project tutorials, and it will be helpful for you. So you can follow this blog. I explain here each and everything. Okay, so let's see, it is deploying. And before deploy the application on the server, make sure your Flask application with the NLP model or ML model is pushed on into the GitHub account. NLP model and ML model is deployed exactly same. Okay, so you can see it is deploying. It will take 20 to 30 seconds more. It is deploying. So just wait for a guys. I have embedded the NLP model with the Flask application. Firstly, I deployed this application on the local host and then try to deploy this application on the Heroku platform. Okay, so like you can see, my application is deployed successfully. Like click on the view, so you can see this URL. You can share this URL with your friends. Okay, like I write here, uh, like uh, this is the worst movie I have ever seen in my life. So you can see this is a negative comment, negative review. Okay, negative review, and simply I write the positive review, like this is the wonderful movie I have ever seen in my life. Click on the predict, like you can see this is a positive review. So guys, this is my Flask application. I have deployed this application on the Heroku, and you can also deploy this application. Just follow my blog there. Step by step process I uploaded here, how to deploy the model on the Heroku. Okay. So thank you guys. If you are interested in MLDL, NLP, Flask, Python, so you can follow my this blog, datascience2000.in. Okay. So thank you guys. We will meet you in the next project. Thank you.